Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video, let's talk about the conditional formatting in Excel. So conditional formatting in Excel enables you to highlight cells with a certain color depending upon the cell value. Using this feature, you can make analyzing data easier by applying visual styles to that data. So let's understand conditional formatting with this simple example. So on the screen, you can see the sales report for the salesperson of specific region for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So since this sales report is quite small, the data visualization is quite easy, but you can make it more interesting by introducing the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting could be introducing a color code, introducing cell bar, or any other of your choice. So let's see how and what type of conditional formatting we can apply to this sales report and how it would be easy to visualize the data. So all you need to do is just select the section of the data onto which you need to apply the conditional formatting. And then onto the home section, you will see something called conditional formatting. So if you click onto the conditional formatting, you will get certain options. So I will choose the color scale. What it will do, it will color the cell according to the value. And if I hover over it, it will give me that the first one was green, yellow, red, where red being the lowest and green being the highest. If I click this, and you can see that the entire data is now color coded, where the dark green representing the highest value and the red representing the least value. So my least value is 0 and it is in the dark red, and 72,258 is the highest among all the values, so it is represented as the dark green, and rest value is between the green and red with light green, light yellow, dark yellow, light red and all. Similarly, instead of using this type of color coding, you can choose any of the color coding of your choice. So let's suppose we'll use the red, white, blue, where blue being the highest and red being the lowest and white being the average value. If I click onto it, you can see that this is the color coding or the conditional formatting I choose for my particular values. So you can apply other conditional formatting as well. I'll choose the solid fill this time, and this will represent my data in the form of the graphs. Similarly, I can choose the icon set. There are different icon sets of my choice. I'll select the 3 arrows, which is colored 3 arrows for reference. If you click, you can see that the down arrow representing the low value, the green arrow is representing the high value, and the yellow is representing the medium value. And you can see, since I have already put the data bars, and on top of the data bar I have put the icon set as well. So here the value is represented in the data bar also and in the form of the icon set also. Now if I want to clear the conditional formatting, again I'll select the entire data, I'll go to the conditional formatting, and there I'll choose the clear rules. There I have two options: clear rules from the selected cell or clear rules from the entire sheet. I'll click on clear rules from the entire sheet and all my conditional formatting will be vanished. So these are the predefined set of conditional formatting. If I want to choose or want to create a new rule, I can click onto the new rule section, and under the new rule section I can choose the style of my choice. It could be 2-color scale, data bar, icon set, classic, or any other of my choice. So I can set that formula, and that formula will be applicable onto my data sheet. So this is all about the conditional formatting in Excel. I hope you understood the concept of conditional formatting. If you have any concern or questions, please do let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.